how are you doing? This is WaLead, CEO and co-founder of WaLead.ai, and in this video we're going to explore how to use RB2B with WaLead.ai. So first thing, if you already use RB2B, you know that it's a software platform that identifies almost 70-80% of your unknown traffic. Yeah, the known traffic that goes to your website. So I suppose what you want to do is to take the leads that are already identified from RB2B, send them to WaLead.ai so that you can do a prospecting sequence, a prospecting workflow, and book some demos, right? So that's the goal. So let's do it. First thing, we need to go to RB2B, right? You can see my pixel is already installed. We are getting the first leads, right? So once we have this, it's really easy. You just need to be a RB2B user and you install the pixel on your WordPress or Webflow page, right? Once you have this done, you will need to go to the integrations panel, is this one, and you will choose Zapier, right? They already have a complete guide, but it's really easy. You just need to go to the integration panel, right? Choose RB2B with Zapier, connect it. You will have here like a personal account key and integration. That's why I am not showing you this, guys, because it's in this case it's the one I have. But you will have a completely one for you that will allow you to connect to Zapier. And then you will just go to Zapier and we will be able to create the Zap from there, right? So what we will do is go to Zapier. Once we already have this, we will press the create button and we will create a new Zap to send the leads from RB2B to WaLead.ai. So first thing, we will choose RB2B. Here we go. Amazing. Let's trigger new profile. Yeah, triggers when a new profile is identified. Perfect. Continue. We can test it. Test trigger. Amazing. Continue with selected record. Okay. The problem we got is that WaLead is not in Zapier for now, but it will be. So you just need to take Google Sheets. It's fine for us. Yeah, Google Sheets. And then what we're gonna do is create a Google Sheet, right? In this case, I have already created and tested one, but you just need to create a new one, right? Because this will be the Google Sheet that we will connect to WaLead.ai afterwards. So going back to Zapier, let's choose the events. We'll create a row, create spreadsheet row, continue. Drive. Let's choose my Google Drive, spreadsheet, RB2B to WaLead, worksheet. I only have one. Okay, and now we need to add like all the values because it's reading our column details. In this case, I have first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, company name, email, blah blah blah. Right? So we need to map this. So first name from RB2B. It will be this one, last name, LinkedIn URL, this one, company name. In this case, you can add as much as variables as you want. It's not a problem. Yeah, company name is this one. Title. Let's see the website URL. Industry. No, not this one. Yeah, actually, Copilot is already suggesting. I will trust him because I think it will be much faster. Email. Yeah. I also added the page visited under referrer because it will like help you understand where the traffic is coming from. In this case, the page visited is this one and the referrer is this one. For example, in our case, it's coming from Google. We have to see if it is ads or SEO. All right. Let's test the step. Perfect, it's working. Okay, so let's just publish it. So right now we have done like the hardest part. It's the first part that basically is to connect from RB2B to Google Sheets. The second part is easy. It's really easy. Once we have done this first part, we just need to copy the link to the spreadsheet, right? Please, it has to be so that anyone can access the link. We will just copy the link, then we will go to WaLead.ai, we'll create a new campaign, WaLead or RB2B X WaLead.ai. Let's create this. Here we go. We will go to the leads panel and we can add leads with several forms, Sales Navigator, manually, CSV, but important for us is Google Sheets, right? So we will paste the Google Sheet, we'll press on import, first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, company name, amazing. The title, we will import it as a custom variable. Website, industry, also as a custom variable. City as a custom variable. Email, page visit as a custom variable. Referrer as a custom variable. Right. This out. Perfect. And then, amazing, guys. And then the most important thing, we have to make it as perpetual, because if I upload it like this, it's just a dynamic upload. It's the same as if I upload a single CSV or Excel file, right? But if I mark here the toggle, make it perpetual every 2 hours, this will make the difference, because if I mark this, it means that WaLead.ai every 2 hours will check if there are new leads in our Google Sheets and then upload them automatically to our platform. With this, we can have an evergreen campaign, because every day there will be new visitors in your website. It means every day RB2B will identify new leads. So with our Zapier integration, every day Zapier will send leads from RB2B to Google Sheets. And with our perpetual thing, every day WaLead.ai will check and upload the leads from Google Sheets to our platform. And with your sequence, every day, these new leads will get activated, in the sense of we will send them an invitation, a message, and all these kind of things. So, fine, we just need to upload that. They are being uploaded. Normally it takes like a few seconds. And once we got this, let's see, amazing. All the leads are uploaded, amazing. So once we have this, if we go actually to leads, like to add leads, you will see that the integration is here. So every 2 hours it will check if new leads are coming. And then we just need to start creating our sequence, right? We just need to like get our new invites, get our sequence. So we already have the step 1 invitation. Then we will get to the second step. We'll type the message. We will say, for example, 0 days, right? And then we can say, hi, first name. I saw your LinkedIn post just yesterday. In this case, you can say whenever you want. You can be direct, like, I know you entered my website, but that's not funny. So you can say something else so that the lead says, wow, just yesterday or just this morning, I was in your webpage, right? So that's the idea. So with this campaign, instead of having like a 10 or 15% response rate as you will get in a cold campaign, you can get like a 50 or 60% response rate, because it's a warm or hot campaign, because the leads that are gonna, the leads that we're gonna contact are leads that have been on our page and they know us for sure, right? So I hope, guys, you have find useful this video with this integration. I think you can get a lot of demos if you combine RB2B with WaLead.ai. And in the link, yeah, in the comment section and the description of this video, I will also send you my CSV link so that you can copy the format, and also the setup guide that the guys of RB2B has built so that you can see how to integrate. It's really easy, but you will be able to see it quite fast how to integrate RB2B with Zapier. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.